In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the small size iCloth and show you some pretty neat applications around the home, office, and workplace. Hi everyone, my name is Ed Choi. Thank you for joining me today. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. In my channel, I talk about everything to do with the office, and today we're talking about iCloth. Not only are they my sponsor, but they make amazing pre-moistened cleaning wipes, and they come in 3 different sizes. This is part 1 of a 3-part series where I'm going to be reviewing the 3 different sizes of iCloths. They're small, regular, and extra large size. I'm not only going to be reviewing the actual product itself, but I'm also going to be sharing some cool applications and give you some inspiring ideas on how to use iCloth around your home, office, and workplace. So before we begin, what are iCloths? iCloths are pre-moistened with our specially formulated solution that leaves no streak and residue or any gunk or grime behind. In every pre-saturated iCloth, there's a perfect amount of solution to cover the devices that you're going to be cleaning. Now they come in 3 different sizes: the small, the regular, and the extra large. Today we're going to be going over the small. What I'm first going to do is clean my tablet, which is dirty, gunky, grimy. Hasn't been cleaned in a while, so I want to give it a nice refreshing clean on this. Now the small size iCloth is perfect for cleaning your tablet. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and open up this pack here. And I do want to show you guys what the cloth looks like. So it's a special cloth. It's non-woven design. It's not going to leave any scratches or any streaks behind. Like I said, it's perfectly saturated with our specially formulated solution, so it does not leave any streaks behind. So let's go ahead and give this a nice wipe down. Sweet. And you know, every time I do this, my device looks brand new after I clean it. So I really like that feeling of having a nice, crisp, clean screen. A lot of people don't think about cleaning the back side of their tablets, but you know what? It gets just as gunky and grimy, so it's a good idea to clean it. Now that I cleaned my tablet, the wipe still seems good for another wipe. I'm just going to turn it over onto the clean side. And this is another thing that a lot of people don't think about cleaning. But think about how often you use a pen and how dirty it can actually get. So what I'm going to do is I've got a nice stainless steel pen here. I'm going to give it a good wipe down and just get all the office gunk and grime off there, because you know, I eat at my desk sometimes and I am guilty of probably using my pen with a little bit of food on my finger, and it just giving everything a little wipe down at the end of the day just feels good. So perfect. So this one wipe that was 3.5 inches by 5 inches cleaned my tablet and a pen. So that's great. Now with my second wipe, I'm just going to go ahead and clean what everybody should be cleaning on probably a daily basis, is their phone. So again, same thing as the tablet, it's gunky and grimy. I'm just going to give it a nice wipe down. Perfect. Again, no streaking on the actual phone itself. It looks fantastic. And just like how I cleaned the tablet, I'm going to flip to the clean side here. And now this is another application where a lot of people don't think about cleaning, but your headphones get just as oily, dirty, and grimy. Now I use these for traveling, and you know how planes get? They're a little bit dirty. So I like to give everything a wipe down here, especially around the earpiece. You want to refresh everything. The cleaner things are, the longer they last. And that's why it's so important to clean everything. Not only does it get the gunk and grime off it, but it also prolongs the lifetime of your products. So there you go. So the small size wipe here did my headphones and my iPhone over here. Everything is sparkling clean. I love the small size iCloth. For my third wipe, again, these are little things that people don't think about cleaning around the office, but they get dirty and grimy, and I think it's important to address because you want to have a clean workspace, especially when I see something like stainless steel. You get a lot of fingerprints on stainless steel, so I'm just going to head and wipe this down so this Post-it note dispenser looks nice and clean. Awesome. Mostly for these type of pen holders and all that, I just noticed it gets dusty, and rather than just taking a microfiber cloth where it does trap all the dust, this gives you, the iCloth just gives you another element of cleanliness where it has that special solution where it removes all the gunk. So there you go. Look at that, a beautiful clean workstation. I've got a clean tablet, clean phone, clean pen. I love it. This is the small size iCloth, 3.5 inches by 5 inches. Give it a go, you won't regret it. And look at this, Look how good this material is. Another good idea is just to have a few strips with you in your back pocket, in your suitcase. I carry these around like I carry around my hand sanitizer. It's just something really handy to have whenever you want to wipe something down. Now do me a favor, if you like this video, please feel free to share it with your friends, family, and coworkers. And remember to give me a big thumbs up. And of course, if you haven't done so already, remember to press the subscribe button, tap on the bell so you can get notified of my weekly video uploads. If you have any comments, I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment down below.